Hi everyone, welcome to the JFS Film and Media channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the colour of a specific part of a frame. And what I'm going to use is this clip here, and this clip is just a skyline with a dawn sunrise, and what we're going to do is change this very bright part of the sunrise. We're going to select this part of the sky and this part only and change the color of it using a adjustment layer. So I've loaded in a couple of clips onto our timeline. This is the clip we're going to be working on, and to work on this clip what we need to do is create an adjustment layer. Now an adjustment layer is a layer that goes on top of the clip that allows us to edit it without changing the original clip. So to do this we need to just select our box here with all of our files that we are using. So just click inside that box there, go to File, go to New, and go to New Adjustment Layer. Click OK, and it appears right here. Now drag this onto the timeline on top of the clip you are editing. So I've dragged it on top of the Dusk Till Dawn clip, this one here, and I'm just going to drag that over the clip in its entirety. The next thing we need to do is click on our adjustment layer and make sure it is selected, and go to the color options at the top of the screen. Now we're going to be editing specific parts of the scene, so let's make the scene nice and large on our screen. And these are the color options that we are going to be using. So the part that we're going to use is the HSL secondary tools here, and we want to select a specific part of our scene to edit. I want to change the color of the very bright parts of the sky here. To do that, I'm going to click on the eyedropper tool and click on the very bright part of the sky. Now I want to see which parts I've selected. So this tick box here where it says color/gray isolates the area that you have selected. So as you can see, all of this part of the bright sky is selected. Now I would like to add this part as well, so these areas on the left and these narrow thin parts underneath as well. So to add areas to your selection, click the eyedropper tool with the plus sign next to it, and also click on the areas that you would like to add. So I've clicked on this area, I'd like to just click on this area here, and just these thin strips of bright sky underneath. So as you can see now, a much larger area is selected. So to change the color of this, you can use these tools underneath, and you can denoise the selection. You can add a blur to the selection there. But what I'm most concerned with is changing the color. So just click on the three circles where it says correction. Now I want to change my scene to a really bright red burning sky. So I'm going to click on the red tones here. I'm going to click on all of the three color wheels here. And as you can see, it's made my selection much redder than it was before. And you can see that it's only changed the area that I've selected. And you can also change the tint, change the temperature here, and you can also change the saturation, so you can actually turn that into a grey selection as well. So there we go, we've edited the colour of a specific part of our scene, and as I mentioned before, this was all done on this adjustment layer. So actually, if you're not happy with what you've changed, all you need to do is just delete that adjustment layer, and it removes all of the editing that was on top of your original clip. So if you want to have another go, just make a new adjustment layer and put it on top of the clip. Thanks for watching.